Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a home that is back on the market. Experience the tranquility of mountain views and the comfort of a spacious 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. It is located in the calm, quiet, peaceful, and sought after neighborhood of Ingleside Mandeville, sitting on 1/3 of an acre. This property features large bedrooms and bathrooms, formal living room, family room, large kitchen, formal dining room, bar area, office and study, helpers' quarters, and basement. Step outside and immerse yourself in the beauty of the well-manicured lawn and fruited yard, perfect for gardening enthusiasts to create their own oasis. This home is in close proximity to the Mandeville Town Center, and it offers ease of access to all major amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.